with two female fans. Obviously, the people them I see beer man all day and yeah man sometimes the man them have a talk but oh God man we love our women and we want and we want to hear what the women have to say so we have two beautiful women right here.
Win, lose or draw.
How you feel about today's performance? Can you just tell me say you're not happy?
I come late. I come late still, but the man them fight back. So I'm happy for you draw because we couldn't take a lose.
So when you had just came, the two of them there the score?
Yes, me never see them go.
Oh, so basically I say you bring the good vibes and
I
energy.
mean, if you did that long time, I would say I would have win.
Alright, so who do you think was the best player for Jamaica today based on what you saw?
Gray.
Them are great, and you?
Yeah.
Same way? So
And we not left out Blake.
well, Andre Blake, yeah, Andre Blake
The
saved
brick
us.
wall.
Yeah.
Him can't lift him out.
So Jamaica, obviously we're not happy about the draw, but we managed to come back in the game, right?
Yeah.
We have 2 more games in October. Just tell me real quick what you think we for do in them 2 games, then harder to get a good result. Let me hear what you think.
Start
We
up the
can't-
man
we
them
can't-
we
we
need
can't
to
do
start.
Where's the-
So man need to go up on the
The
field
coach
for
need
a start.
lessons.
Tell me one of them. Tell me one of them. I want to know one of the people them.
Have a good night.